worked with Boeing, General Dynamics, and the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, the president of Computerbilities, Adam Pittman.
Thank you. So I'm a patriot. When I graduated from high school, I joined the United States Air Force, and they said to me, Adam Pittman, you miserable nerd, you're a computer geek. The only way you're going to help this man's Air Force is if you become a computer technician. And you know what? They were right. I love computers. And in my 35-year career as a computer technician and network engineer, I've helped clients such as Boeing, General Dynamics, the National Institute of Health. I have a new book out called Computers Should Just Work. And I've got some great information about how you can keep your computer from crashing. I call it 5 computer crash cracks to help you keep your computer from crashing. So, I got to tell you, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Jeff Bezos all became super rich because they know computers are part of our everyday lives. But did you know that 6% of all computers are destined to crash every year? That 32% of us, of users, have lost their data, and that 140,000 hard drives crash in the United States every month? I'm here to tell you, one day your computer is going to crash, and it's up to you to try to keep it from crashing. So here are my 5 computer crash cracks to help you your computers from crashing. The first one I call the Steve Jobs. Call it that because Mac users keep their computers from crashing by keeping their updates. But PC users, not so much. So we keep our PCs updated, we keep our clients' PCs updated, and you should keep your PCs updated too, because that's a great way to keep your computers from crashing from OS malfunctions. The second one I call the Weight Watchers. Now, eating empty calories is not good for us, and downloading extra software is not good for your computer. So when you download software, you should download it from the manufacturer's website or from a website that the manufacturer recommends. The third one I call the Tom Clancy, because spyware and viruses will get your computer to crash. So we tell our clients to use antivirus and anti-spyware and to keep that software updated, because that's the best way to keep your computer from crashing from a virus or spyware. The fourth one's easy. It's just to optimize your computer. All you got to do is go to Google, type in the word optimize, type in the model and make of your computer, follow a few steps, do a few clicks, and voila, your computer will be optimized. It'll be running smoother and faster than ever before. The last one I call the John Travolta. Now, do you guys remember the movie, the TV movie, The Boy in the Plastic Bubble? Well, you don't have to keep your computer in a plastic bubble. That's the good news. But you really need to keep your computer in a dust-free and climate-controlled area, because if you don't, your computer can overheat and crash. Dust is its enemy. Heat and extreme cold are computer's enemy. So keep them in a good environment, and your computer will last longer. It'll run faster. It'll take care of you. Now, all this I've said, I got to tell you, I know that one day your computer is going to crash. I've been doing this for 35 years. They do break, they do crash. So, they say that there's only 2 things in life that are guaranteed, and that's death and taxes, right? Well, I got to tell you, there's a third thing. Your computer is going to crash. So my only question to you is, will you have it backed up? My name's Adam Pittman. I'm from Computerbilities. Give me a call if you need it, and we'll help you with the backup plan. Thanks very much.